Hello, everyone. Welcome to Build in Public with Natively. Today is the day 22nd of my 30 days challenge where I'm building one app every day for 30 days. I'm giving it away to some of you who will build it further. So today, I want to build a messaging app. I think we are using WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, so many other messaging apps. I was thinking that maybe, let's try building our own messaging app. Maybe, like we use it with friends, with family, or maybe even we'll change something, and then give it away to everyone. So building a messaging app with a few prompts. So let me start building. Yeah, here we are. We're writing our simple prompt, build me a messaging app. I have a nice design, so I uploaded that. I give it a go. Yeah, so natively it's gonna build our messaging app. As I said, this is the 22nd day of my 30 days challenge where I'm building one simple app and give it away to some of you to build it further. So I have given almost all apps that I have built so far, 21 apps. And yeah, I only one is left that I haven't given away yet, but I have given the rest. So it's an amazing challenge. I'm super excited. It's coming to an end. So I have 8 more days to do this challenge, and then I'm done. And I'm gonna start a new challenge. So it's super exciting. And today I was working on one of my apps to launch it to iOS, and yeah, it's super nice. And once I launch my app to iOS, I'm gonna go all full marketing mood with that as well, because yeah, I really want to get some users for that and see have some actual feedback from my users. Yeah, so there is a link in the description. Just go create your account with Natively, and then just get some 5 free prompts from that link. So good luck. I think yeah, just repeating myself as well. I think now is the best time to build your mobile apps, because you have the AI, you have natively, you have other tools, and you can also have the access and knowledge how to market. So you just go all in building mood. Um, so yeah, today I was thinking what to build. I was like, okay, I'm using WhatsApp all the time, but now I see that WhatsApp is becoming more of a like Facebook or Instagram, you see people's stories, and also now you have some pages, where famous people have groups or even companies. Also, slowly I started to receive some advertisement messages, from some companies. I'm like, okay, yeah, I want to have a clean and just simple messaging app for myself. I was like, okay, this is a cool idea to build it and then see how it is. So yeah, this is how it looks now. Of course, it's building. But yeah, this is super simple, just one prompt, and then we have the app ready, the design, the front end. So front end is what we see, it's the preview of the app. Then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna connect the Supabase. Supabase is our backend, is our database where all the information, numbers, messages will be saved. Let's connect with Supabase. As I said, we let natively to build the database. So we don't touch the database ourselves, So that's something that we shouldn't do ourselves. Because I have seen some of our users, they are building the database themselves. I was like, no, 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 no. You should ask AI to do it for you. I'm not gonna create a new project because I don't have enough space. So I'm gonna connect with dog walking app. And if you are my frequent listener, you know the story behind dog walking app. So we have 170 tables, and you can see all the tables here. So these are from the other apps. So repeating myself, if you're building a new app, please have a new project for every app. It's better to be clean, nicer, and have, just one table, one project for every app, because the data will not be messed up, and also the backend. So it's better to have a nice backend and clean database. I also started a new series of where I'm walking through vibe coding, 101. What vibe coding is, and also like how to ideate for an application, how to build it, how to design, how to launch it. So that's going to be a simple course. Yeah, the idea is to make it a course and then launch it. But yeah, I have some ideas, and I already recorded the first video. It's out. It's out in my own channel, of course, together with natively. So we are kind of putting it together. But that's super interesting as well. What we're doing there. Because so many of you ask about A to Z type of content. So we're gonna do that for you. Nice, you can see the profile, new message. Okay, this is cool. Yeah, this is as simple as this. So this is actually cool. We have friends, we can add contacts, new communities. Of course, we can see the code. As I said, natively is built for people who do know coding. Of course, if you know coding, then you're way faster. But to be honest, I don't know coding, and I'm way more fast as well because I know how to prompt. I just know how to find things and just like do things. I think it's more practice, And natively is super easy to navigate and find things. So I think there is not much science, to be honest, in this. Like it's not like rocket science. It's like super easy to learn. So amazing. We're done. I'm gonna give our second prompt. Of course, we have, as I said, we have this visual editor. The new thingy, let me call this, I change it to Jahid. Yeah, I just save it. So you can actually, change the design with our visual editor tool. And okay, let me change it. Yeah, okay, let me change this. Yeah, so we give our next prompt. Build me the backend and connect the Supabase. So we give it a go. So now we ask AI to build us a backend. So this will work. And remember that we have 107 tables. Yep, we have it. So this will increase once we add the new table. Yeah, so we see we have 107 tables. Now we have 112 tables. So we added 5 new tables and we can just look at them. Yeah, here it is. Chat messages, chat participant chats. So yeah, that's why it's better to have, create a new project for every app so that you're not messing up, or like confusing with other tables sometimes. And let me know what you're building and how is it going so far with this challenge. Are you enjoying it? Yeah, because it got it's 22 days I'm doing this. So it's quite interesting for me because, I start thinking about ideas more carefully because in the beginning it was easy. Yeah, I come up with this, I want to build this. But now it's like, okay, what to build. So I would love to hear how is your experience so far? And are you enjoying it? Do you have some suggestions? Do you want me to do something differently? But also, do you have some ideas for next challenge? If you have, if you want me to do something, so please let me know. I would love to have your thoughts on that as well. But yeah, it will be super nice to build something and then we learn together and we build great apps. So the idea of me doing this is because I want you to build your app. I want you to build an app for yourself, for others. Just build an app. Perfect. So our backend is built. So here, the profile here, how it looks, and also we can add new contacts, so new messages. Amazing. So with 2 prompts, we just built a simple messaging app. And if you want to take over this project, please let me know. But I'm not going to build it further because I really want you to kind of get your hands dirty and get the experience of building a messaging app with natively. So everything is here, so I can share the project ownership to you. So please comment if you want to take this over. But yeah, this was my 22nd day of my challenge for 30 days, where I'm building a simple app and give it away to one of you. Thanks for joining, and please let me know if you have some ideas, some suggestions, but also some ideas for the next challenge. There's a link in the description where you can actually, get 5 free prompts if you create your account with that. So go create your accounts, build your dream apps. Also, just go build your dream apps with whatever tool you like. The idea is like you building and you enjoying your app and using it, but also letting others to use your app and then solve their problems. So all the best. Have a nice Wednesday evening and see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.